Chappy's Tiki Bar at Chappy. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. So roll the intro to Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we got some great grilled Jamaican jerk chicken wings. See here how I made them. Alrighty, to go with our Jamaican jerk chicken wings, I'm going to do a Blue Cosmopolitan. So I got my cocktail shaker here. Put a little bit of ice. We got ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce of vodka. And 3/4 ounce of blue carousel. So we want to keep it blue, so instead of regular cranberry juice, we're going to do white cranberry juice. So we'll go 3 ounces of white cranberry juice. And we'll give that a shaky. And into the martini glass it goes. We'll do a high pour so you can see how blue it is, because I got a black martini glass today. And I got a lovely garnish to go with that. And that is a Blue Cosmopolitan to go with my Jamaican jerk chicken wings right off the grill. Alright, thanks for joining us on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Make sure you give us a like. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.